the number of real roots of the equation x cube plus x minus 1 equal to 0 is. To answer this question, we have many methods. First is by derivative method. Second is by increasing or decreasing method. Number 3 is by change of sign, change of sign. So this equation is x cube plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now derivative of this equation is 3x square plus 1. This is a derivative. If I call this is a function of x, so function of fx is this, then its a derivative f dash x is given by this one, not given by, it's calculated 3x square plus 1, and this derivative is never 0 for all x is for all x which are reals. Means always we have this is a positive quantity and always this is a positive quantity, so sum of two positive quantities again positive, so anyhow we cannot get 0. So derivative is not 0, it means that we never have either cup or cave shape. It means function graph of function never intersect curve at 2 point. If like this, then it may be the possibility curve has at least 2 point of intersection, and in the case of this again curve has at least two possibility, not at least but maybe possibility maybe, but there is no point on a real line where cup or cape shape we obtain for this equation. So 2 or 3 roots are not possible. So options remaining options are either 0 or 1. I'm saying because function has no cup or cape shape, so there is no 2 or more roots possible. So only we have two possibility. Now this equation x cube plus x minus 1 f dash x, as we calculated 3x square plus 1 always greater than 0 for all x which are coming from real, it means function is increasing. So if function is increasing or decreasing, what it tell us, it tell us function either in this or like in this way will intersect x-axis at least 1 point, at least or at most you can say, because of in entire domain function is increasing, so at least at most 1 point. So function intersect x-axis at 1 point only, so only one real root, only one real root. Now by Descartes rule of sign we can say that this is x cube plus x minus 1. In this only one sign change, only one sign change, so only positive, only one positive real root. After changing x by minus x, after changing x by minus x, we have minus x cube minus x minus 1, means there is no sign change. It means there is no negative rule, means zero negative rule in terms of mathematical structure. So there are only 1 plus 0 means total one real root, one real root. So using these two or three concept, we find that only one real root of this function exists. So according to this, option B is correct. Uh, Also, you can find the solution of this problem as we have already calculated function fx is given by x cube plus x minus 1. Value of the function at least one or two point you can calculate it. Means for example, f at 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 1 means 1. So again, value of the function at 0, we have 0 plus 0 minus 1 means in these 2 point we can say that function is increasing as derivative of the function is positive for all real numbers or positive real number if I say. And from 0 to 1 we can say that function is increasing, so only one real root will exist, because at 0 value of the function is negative and at 1 value of the function is positive. So function means graph is going from negative to positive in the interval from 0 to, means from 0 to 1. So in this interval function will intersect x-axis. So from this point we are saying